Hello students, Namaste. How are you all? I hope everyone is fine. So students, from today's onward, I am going to take your science class. Okay. So you have two chapters in your science book for next month's exam. First one is nervous system and another one is our houses. So today I will discuss nervous system. I already divide this chapter into two parts. First one is half of this chapter will be covered today and rest of the chapter will be discussed in our next class. So let's start today's class. So today's class, the chapter you have, the first chapter for next month's exam is nervous system. So what is nervous system? Nervous system is an important part of our body. Okay, it consists brain, spinal cord and nerves. It controls all other organs and also control our activities. So as I said, brain consists three parts, that is brain, spinal cord and nerves. So first of all we will discuss about brain. Okay, so what is brain? Brain is an important part of our body. It controls our intelligence, abilities, memories and all that. It receives messages from different parts of our body and process them, and after that it send instruction to our muscles or our organs. Okay, so further if we divide brain into three parts, first one is cerebrum, second one is cerebellum and last one is medulla. Okay, so let's discuss these parts functions. So first of all let's talk about cerebrum. Okay, so what is the function of cerebrum? Actually cerebrum situated in the topmost area of our brain. It is the largest part of our brain. Okay, so the function of cerebrum is it controls our intelligence, ability and all other organs also controlled by the cerebrum. Okay, further cerebrum is divided into two parts. The first part is right one and another one is left one. The function of right one is to control facial identification and eye-hand combination. Okay, this is the work of first half. Okay, the right one, and the left one's work is to control our laughing and mathematical abilities. Okay, these are the function of cerebrum. And the next one is, the next part of brain is cerebellum. So cerebellum is the darkest part of our brain. This one cerebellum. Okay, the function of cerebellum is to control our movements and muscle movements, and while we are playing musical instruments or exercising, it helps us. Okay, the function of cerebellum. The last one is medulla. The last part of brain is medulla. You can see this, the dark part, this one is medulla. Okay, this is the basic structure of our brain, human brain. Okay, actually brain is situated in our skull, under our skull. Skull protect our brain from outer injury. Between brain and skull there is a fluid. Okay, so the function of medulla. Actually medulla is the busiest part of our brain. It works even when we are asleep. Okay, so medulla control our involuntary actions like breathing, heartbeat, sneezing, swallowing. These activities are controlled by medulla. Okay, so these are the three parts of our brain. As I said, nervous system consists three parts, that is brain, next is spinal cord and the last one is nerves. So let's discuss about spinal cord. Okay, so students, next is spinal cord. Spinal cord is a thick cord in the lower end of our backbone. Okay, so spinal cord transfer information from our different part of our body to our brain. Okay, so it also control our reflex action. Reflex action is a important part of your this chapter. Okay, so I will discuss this in our further discussion. So next is nerves. Let's discuss about nerves. Nerves. Okay, this is the last part that nervous system consists. Okay, so there is a network of nerves through our body. The brain sends instruction through nervous system through nerves to our various part of our body. Nerves are made up of nerve cells which are called neurons. Okay, so if we divide, there is three type of nerves. First one is sensory nerves, second one is motor nerve, and last one is reflex nerves. Okay, so the function of nerve, sensory nerve is send instruction to our body to our brain. Okay, so the another one is motor nerves. Okay, so the function of motor nerves is to send instruction from our body, our brain or our spinal cord to our rest of the body. Okay, so the last that is mixed nerves. What is the function of mixed nerves? Mixed nerves perform both the functions. Receive instruction from rest of the from all side of our body to our brain, and send instruction to our muscles from brain. So when we walk or when we move, so the instruction that our muscles get is brought by motor nerves. Okay,